Hello everyone, welcome to infyGyan. In this video, we'll be solving a square root x plus 5 plus a square root x plus 6 plus a square root x plus 7 equal to square root x plus 12. X is a real number. So let's get started by writing domain of the equation first. Radicands must be non-negative. So we will write 4 inequalities from radicands only. So I can write x should be greater than or equal to negative 5. X should be greater than or equal to negative 6. X should be greater than or equal to negative 7. And x should be greater than or equal to negative 12. So we have 4 conditions on x. If we will take intersection, we will get x should be greater than or equal to negative 5. Our answer should be either greater than or equal to negative 5. Now we will use substitution. Let us say x plus 6 suppose equal to t. So we can write x plus 5 in terms of t minus 1. We can write x plus 7 will be equal to t plus 1. And if we will write x plus 12, then we can write it is t plus 6. Now we have condition on x negative 5, means x is greater than or equal to negative 5. From here, we will find x in terms of t. So x is equal to t minus 6, which we are going to put over here. So I will write t minus 6 should be greater than or equal to negative 5 by adding 6 to both sides. We'll be getting condition on t. T will be greater than or equal to 1. So once we will solve our equation in t, it should be greater than or equal to plus 1. Now we will write our equation in variable t. Square root x plus 5 is square root t minus 1. Then we have square root t. Then we can write square root of t plus 1 equal to square root of x plus 12, it is t plus 6. Now we have to subtract square root t from both the sides. So in LHS there will be square root t plus 1 plus square root t minus 1. And in RHS square root t plus 6 minus square root t. Let's write square root of t plus 1 plus square root t minus 1. In RHS we will write square root t plus 6 minus square root t. Now we have square roots on both the sides. We will take squaring both sides. Now we have to use a plus b whole square formula and a minus b whole square formula. So square of square root t plus 1 square of square root t minus 1 plus 2 times square root t plus 1 times t minus 1. Using difference of square identity, we will get t square minus 1 inside the square root. Now we have RHS a minus b whole square of square root t plus 6 plus square of square root t square. So we will write here plus t minus 2 times square root of t times t plus 6. Now we have t plus t 2t, t plus t 2t. So we can subtract 2t from both the sides and remove t from both the sides. Now plus 1 and minus 1 will be 0. So in LHS there will be 2 times square root t square minus 1. And in RHS we have 6 minus 2 times square root of t times t plus 6. Equation is divisible by 2. So we will divide both sides by 2. 2 over 2 will be 1. 1 times square root t square minus 1 will be square root t square minus 1. 6 over 2 is 3. 2 over 2 is 1. 1 times square root, that will be square root itself. Square root t plus 6. Now we are going to take this negative term to LHS and positive term to RHS. So there will be sign change. We will get square root t plus 6 equal to 3 minus square root t square minus 1. Now we are going to take squaring both sides. So let me write here part 2 in LHS, part 2 in RHS. Now square root and square will get over. We will get t times t plus 6 in left hand side, and in right hand side we'll use a minus b whole square identity and write 9 plus t square minus 1 minus 2 times 3 times square root t square minus 1. It is 6 times square root of t square minus 1. Now we will simplify LHS and then we can eliminate few terms. So we will write t square plus 6t in left hand side. Let me write here t square plus 6t in left hand side, and in RHS we will write 9 plus t square minus 1 minus 6 times square root of t square minus 1. Now we will subtract t square from both the sides to cancel t square. Now in LHS there will be 60. In right hand side 9 minus 1 is 8. Then we have minus 6 times square root of t square minus 1. Equation is divisible by 2. Let's divide both sides by 2. 6 over 2 is 3. So we will write LHS 3t equal to 8 over 2 is 4. 6 over 2 is 3. Square root of t square minus 1. Again we will take negative term to the LHS, positive term to the RHS. So we can write here 3 times square root of t square minus 1 in left hand side, 4 minus 3t in right hand side. Now we have single square root which is in LHS. Now we will be squaring for the last time. We will put power 2 in LHS and RHS. Now 3 square is 9. Square root and square will get over. So we will write 9 times t square minus 1 equal to 4 minus 3t whole square. Now we will simplify our LHS. 9t square minus 9. Let me write here 9t square minus 9, and in RHS there will be 4 minus 3t whole square. Let's expand RHS. We will get 16 plus 3t whole square is 9t square. 4 times 3 times 2, 24 times t. In LHS we have 9t square minus 9. Now we can subtract 9t square from LHS and RHS. So 9t square will get over. We can write equation minus 9 equal to 16 minus 24t. Let's take this negative 24t to the LHS and minus 9 to the RHS. So 24t will be equal to 16 plus 9. which will be equal to 25. In LHS, we have 24t. Now we will be dividing both sides by plus 24 so that 24 over 24 will be equal to 1. 1 times t equal to t. So t will be equal to 25 over 24. And we have condition on t. T should be greater than or equal to 1. So yes, 25 over 24 is greater than 1. So our solution is accepted solution. Now we have to put variable in terms of x. So I will write here t was x plus 6. So I will write here t equal to 25 over 24 first. Then in place of t we can write x plus 6. RHS is 25 over 24. Now we have to subtract 6 from both the sides. So we'll write plus 6 minus 6, and in RHS we'll write 25 over 24 minus 6. Plus and minus 6 will get over. We are going to get our final real solution, x equal to 25 over 24 minus 6. So we will take LCM over here. So 25 minus 24 times 6, 144 over 24. So our final answer becomes x equal to negative 119 over 24. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck.